Hello everyone, welcome back in today's video. In this tutorial, I am going to take you through how to perform difficult phlebotomy procedure. In this video, I am going to show you how you are supposed to perform difficult venipuncture procedure because there are no any feasible veins on the patient's hand, especially on the antecubital fossa. So I just want to show you the technique and the trick in which you are supposed to use for you to find the vein for you to collect the blood sample. Let us go. First, make sure you apply a tourniquet into the patient's hand. Make sure you apply a tourniquet. Then what you do retraction. You can do retraction and you can feel and palpate the vein. Make sure you feel and palpate the vein first. So it's very difficult for you to collect the blood sample without finding any vein. But I will show you the best trick in which you are supposed to apply for you to collect the blood sample. First, make sure you get an alcohol swabs. You clean with an alcohol swab first. Then you get the syringe. You remove the syringe from the packaging. Then you get a 21 gauge needle. You attach it into the syringe. Make sure you remove the cap of the needle and you remove any air bubble from the syringe first. Make sure you remove any air bubble from the syringe first. Then you attach the needle firmly. So this is how you are going to collect the blood sample. You can see I have formed the vein. Make sure you pull back the plunger for you to draw the blood sample. So this is how you are going to perform difficult phlebotomy procedure. When you finish, make sure you release the tourniquet. Then you get a cotton wool. Make sure you apply a cotton wool into the area where you have given the shot. Then you remove the needle from the vein. So this is how you are going to perform difficult venipuncture procedure. Then make sure you cap the needle and ensure that you label the sample of blood with the full name of the patient, sex, date, if possible. Then you carry it into the laboratory. So this is how you are going to perform difficult phlebotomy procedure. So thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.